Hi, I'm Brandon, and I'm a data analytics tutor and a business intelligence freelancer. So if you got data goals, I got some solutions. So go ahead and reach out to me and let's have a chat. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now let's speak about these outer joins, okay? There's left, right, and full outer joins. And let's start with this left outer join right now. So again, we have the student and our teacher table again, okay? And they're both again related on this related column of course ID. Now, how this left outer join is going to execute this join, how this left outer join is going to execute our merge table output, which is our result set, it's going to prioritize this left-sided, the left table. In our case, it's the student table. So it's going to bring in all the rows from the left table that you see. So all the rows from the left table will display. And then when it gets to the right table, only the rows that match the left related column values will display. So all the rows that have a match on the related column from the right table, from the teacher table, those are going to be displayed in the result set. So in this case, it's going to show our matches in that result set, and it will also show our students, even if they don't have teachers, okay? So in our previous example, those records were filtered out, okay? But here, they're left in with this left outer join. The results will prioritize the left table and show students, even if they don't have teachers. Now our next table, the right outer join, it's essentially a reverse of this. And we're essentially going to be showing all the matches, but in addition, the teachers, even if they don't have students. So here's the syntax for the left outer join. As I said previously, we're just going to be substituting out and adding in the left outer join. Again, we're at our right outer join and we're identifying our related column. And as I said earlier, the results are going to prioritize the right table and show teachers, even if they don't have students. But as you can see, we don't see students without teachers, okay? We only see the teachers without students. And the matches, of course. All right, and here's the syntax for this right outer join. All right, so now let's go ahead and move on to this left join, okay? So again, with the left join, it's going to give you all the records from the left table. In our case, this is going to be the orders table, but it will only give you the records from this customers table if there exists matches on the customer ID for the orders table in this case, okay? So actually, let's go ahead and come back in here and let us, okay, now look at what we have here. All right, so this is going to show us, okay, the left join is going to show us again every row from that left table, and it will only show the records from the customer table where there are matches. So it's going to show me orders even if they don't have customers, okay? This table will show me all records in the orders table, in the customer table. The right join, again, is gonna prioritize that right-sided table, which is in our case the customer table. So it's gonna show us all the records in the customer's table, even if they don't have orders. So it's very similar to the left join, but sometimes when you look at these tables, I mean, they look pretty similar. So this has 832 records, just like our left join table. Okay, so again, I'm Brandon, and if you have data goals, and you need a data analytics teacher or you need a business intelligence freelancer, I'm available. I've left my email, or instead I may actually provide a Calendly link so you can set up some time with me and we can have a conversation and you can let me know what your goals are. I love talking to people. Additionally, I'm going to also leave you with this that gives you another idea on how these things work, because there are other specialty types of joins that do exist out there. But even with this example, it's really clear to just go ahead and see how these joins work. So I'm going to leave this with you so you can play with this and just kind of look and just play around and look and see how they function. All right.